Well, hello, Dan here, 3rd of July. So I'm going to harvest some first early potatoes here. So I initially planted these on the 29th of February, so relatively early by conventional standards, some may say. I harvested some the other day, very good indeed. So I'm expecting the same from these. So let's have a look. So first we'll start off with the remainder of the rockets. So I actually grew these all in my own homemade compost. I've got loads of videos on how you can grow your own compost if you're interested. So let's just put these rocket seed potatoes all here ready for harvesting. That looks like a nice angle there, so hopefully you can see everything that's going to come out. So what we've got here. This variety normally takes around 11 to 12 weeks to mature, so we're quite a bit over that. So I'm expecting these to be, as you can see, bigger than your bog standard your bog standard first early potato, but that's fine. Some say that leaving them to get big can take away some of the flavour from the potato, but that's not something I'm particularly overly concerned about. That's very good. So that's my yields of my rockets. That's good. We'll do the same with the older Pentland Javelin. Let's have a look. So overall, very happy with those yields. Some lovely potatoes here and here, and plenty of meals from these. So that's really, really good. Now here, look at that. So this is the yield from the rocket, and there was a few more the other day as well. If you check out my last video I uploaded, you'll see what came from that. So that's good. If I remember correctly, I put 1 or 2 seed potatoes in each bucket. So good yields. And here, this is the Pentland Javelin. Pentland Javelin is very much a favourite, I've noticed, amongst sort of more mature people. It seems like this variety was grown quite commonly before, and probably still is. So there we go. So we'll just have a little comparison of these potatoes there. You can see that there, so very good. Overall, including, you know, the one I harvested the other day, yields very similar, so that's good. So yeah, we'll take that. So make your own compost if you can, no problem. Grow your own potatoes if you can. Hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know what you think. See you in the next one.